Hello there world. This is going to be a fun little video. It's simply just pictures and some clips of this stairway transformation in a basement. It is an unfinished basement and I was given full reign to do whatever I wanted. And there's a few colors and things I've been wanting to try lately. So this was a perfect place to try it. And it sort of led them into a direction for the rest of their basement because it's completely unfinished. So this color right here is called Dragon Belly by Unicorn Spit, and I did mix just a little bit of water in it. I love this stain. I love color stain. So much fun. I also tried a new oil modified poly that I hadn't used in a warm amber base. Satin. I did 3 coats all in one day. This stuff dried so well. Definitely up on my top 3 favorites now. And then I used Sticks primer just in case I got some stain or poly somewhere I didn't want it. I really wanted to make sure that these vinyl decals that I used, I really wanted to make sure they stuck really well. And I have links to everything I used in the description and kind of step by step of what I did. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy this. I had a lot of fun doing it. I will definitely be doing stairways in the future. Perfect for basement, attic stairs, honestly, any stairs anywhere. And if you're wild and like to have a lot of fun, there's so many options. Beaches and oceans and just designs. It's so much fun. I cannot speak enough on how well this all worked in the transformation, how much they loved it. Everyone that's seen it has loved it so much. And I hope that you try something similar to this and make sure that you tag me because I want to see it. Other than that, I'll see you soon with some more videos. I'm working on some furniture right now. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.